Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the 5 recipe pages you should be bookmarking right now. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So the first website which you are looking at, Supercook. So if you have only few ingredients at home and don't know what to make, Supercook is a recipe search engine that helps you to find the recipe that you want based on the ingredients you have at the home. It has hundreds and thousands of recipes, so no matter what your ingredient is, Supercook has got you covered. For best result, you have to add all the ingredients you have in your home so that the Supercook will populate the recipe based on your needs. For example, in this case, I have chosen egg, milk, and butter. And based on these three ingredients, it has 293 recipes, basically with three ingredients only. And you can see it has some good recipes as well. So the benefit of signing up to the Supercook is that it can be used across devices. So the next website which you are going to take a look is called AllRecipes. So AllRecipe is also a multiple device capability website. It can be included in tablet, smartphone, and other devices. You can also find the recipe by browsing through the catalog. The key difference between the Supercook and the AllRecipe is here you can find even the health related recipes. Here you can go to the explore part and see here home recipes, health recipes, and diabetic. I have chosen this diabetic, and inside the diabetic I am going for this particular salads. You can also go for some other things, diet and health recipes, diabetic recipes, ketone recipe, low carb, low fat, gluten free as well. So let's choose a gluten free, and we got these different recipes based on our health needs, right? But here, food is one of the mostly the largest bill, right? Fortunately, it is also most flexible category in your budget. So if you want to shop, cook, and eat the smart way, we have Budget Bites with you. This is a place where you will find the plenty of recipes along with their cost analysis, preparation time, and alternative preparations, as well as step-by-step photos. So you don't need to sacrifice your flavor, your food convictions, or even hours. So here you can see the various recipes. You can also go for your recipes, global, and maybe Italian. You can see the prices. It's $5, five, and you can choose your needs. We have seen websites that help you to cook with what you have, websites that help you to find the healthy recipes, and we also saw some budget recipes here. But none of them states that how much we need to eat. So that's what we will be saying now. Let's create a meal plan for our body need. We have Eat This Much website. It puts your diet on autopilot. It allows you to create your diet meal plan for your goal. It can be either weight loss, weight gain, or even maintaining the calories. So here you have the options to select your needs. It can be vegetarian, vegan, or keto. And you also mention your calories here. And if you are not sure about the calories, you can directly go to here and you can cure your settings and you will get the data populated right away. So here I know my calories. It is 2300 and I will be actually serving in 4 small meals. So let's generate. The app is great for those who are looking for a meal plan or at least an idea of what should be eaten in a day. You can also experiment various things with carbs, fats, and proteins in the diet. Here you can see we have the breakfast of peanut butter oatmeal, which is 2 bowls, and the calorie is 690. And we have lunch, and we have these things. So this is one of the greatest application which is available right there for your perfect meal plan. And the next website which you are going to see is called MyFitnessPal. This is also the website which allows you to track your diet as well as your exercise. This app uses the gamification element to motivate the users. To track nutrition, user can either scan the barcode or you can directly go and apply the search filters here. So based on the food item, it shows your calories, carbs, fats, and proteins. You could use FitnessPal as an online tool or as an application to track your nutrition, and you can also add your friends also in that, so they can also see your food plans and you can also get some good inspiration from them as well. It is very useful to track information as a nutrition guide as well. So it helps you to stay in the overall team members in a perfect healthy condition. You can also have the exercise and you also have the blocks which states what kind of exercise to be practiced and what are the food intakes should be considered. So that's what we have for today. If you are new to this channel, I upload videos on free tools and tips every Mondays and Fridays. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon and also share with your friends. See you until next time.